Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you getting ready to start your spring planting? If you are, then you will love these little grow kits from Buzzy. This kit comes with everything you need to be able to start your planting. It comes with individually wrapped seeds marked very clearly and mini pots that you can place all of them in. Once you place the dirt disc into the pot, all you have to do is water it and then plant your seeds and then patiently wait for everything to grow. Within a few days, my seeds started sprouting, and as you can see, they're still doing really well after a week of planting. In the past, I've gotten a kit like this, and the dirt almost felt really dry like cardboard, but this feels like real dirt. It provides just the amount of great planting space so that the plants will start growing. If you are ready to get started with your planting, getting your flowers ready for your garden, go with one of these mini kits. This would be great for kids as well, or a gift so that you can make someone's day with some flowers that will grow. I really like the kit because it's been easy to work with and everything is good quality, and that's my point of view.